Welcome to Project Insight. Today, I'll be showing you how to import companies. To begin, from your home screen, you're going to want to navigate to your My Insight menu in the top left, navigate to Companies, you'll click Advanced, click Import Companies, and if you already have your Excel file ready, you can go ahead and choose that file and click Upload here. However, if you don't have companies already in an Excel template, you can click this Excel Import Template option, and that'll download a company import template. Just click on that, and you're brought to an Excel sheet with 5 columns. Name, project assignment enabled, time and expense entry enabled, active, and ID. The only required column is the name. For this, we'll just use company. The project assignment enabled, time and expense entry enabled, and active columns have 2 possible inputs. Capital N, no, or capital Y, yes. We'll select yes for all 3 of these columns. Once you're done adding your companies, save the Excel sheet, click Choose File, choose the Excel file containing the companies for import, click Upload, and you'll be able to preview your import. In this preview, you'll see all of the companies successfully imported from your Excel sheet, as well as a green checkbox next to the name column. This checkbox determines if that specific company is going to be imported into your company list on Project Insight. If there are specific companies you wouldn't like to import, just uncheck this box and click Save. However, for the purposes of this example, we will be importing this company. Click Save. You should now get a validation screen showing that the companies were correctly imported. Click Done. And as you can see on our company list, our new company has been added. To summarize, to import a company in Project Insight, from the Home menu, you'll navigate to the My Insight menu, click on Companies, click on Advanced, click Import Companies, click Choose File, choose the Excel file that your company list is in, click Upload, choose the companies from the file that you would like to import, and then click Done. If you'd like more general information on companies in Project Insight, you can refer to our other documentation and videos on the subject.